guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of August. So if you want to see what came in my bag, then let's go ahead and get on into it. Alright, if you don't know anything about the Ipsy Glam bag, it's $15 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee, where you're guaranteed to receive 5 I have eyeshadow on my finger. Deluxe sized sample products. Even though you do see full size products every month generally, you're just not guaranteed full size products. You do get to make one choice item around the 20 something of the month. And then you do always get a glam bag that will be different every month. This is the August bag, so it is just brown. We've got the stripe on this side. We have gold hardware. And then it is just white on the inside. Mine does have a bunch of loose strings, so I don't love that, because there's a bunch on the inside as well. But I do like the design of the bag this month. And then there's always a theme, which we will go over in 1 second, and then your value is up to $70 plus. So the theme for August is Get Golden. Whether you're soaking up the last days of summer or easing back into a routine, this is your moment to explore what keeps you grounded and glowing, no matter what's next. And then on the inside, you'll have your QR code, which will take you either straight to your app or to the web page to look at your products. The inside of mine does give me my products. And then on the back, it tells you about... This gift is an A+. It tells you how you can start gifting Ipsy and BoxyCharm and all of that, how you can do that. And then we have our sneak peeks. So these are products that could be featured next month or just in the future in general. So we have the Ava NYC Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. I already have a backup leave-in conditioner that I got in a giveaway, so even though I use leave-in conditioner every time I brush my hair or shower or whatever, I don't need that currently. We have the Tatcha Matcha Cleanser. Would love that. Even though I literally do not need any more cleanser, I love Tatcha, so I would be okay with that. And then we have the Moon Slice Beauty Lip Oil. So I'm currently getting into lip oil, so I would not be mad at getting that either. So that is our little card that we have. I did get one add-on, so we'll go over my add-on product at the end here, and we're just going to get into the bag. So the first thing I'm pulling out, is my choice item. So I chose the Formula Z setting spray. So it is just a deluxe, it's a travel size actually. So this setting spray helps set your makeup, soothes dryness, and calms irritation while delivering a mega dose of hydration thanks to its skin-loving dream team of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and energizing quartz, which is why it looks the way that it does. The full size is $26 for 2.71 ounces. This is 0.68 ounces, so this actually would retail for $14.10, which is wild considering this is so small. Like, I'm gonna go through this in like a week, but let's see what the mister... Oh, it smells nice. It's got a nice mister. I'm happy with that. I'm fine with it. I use setting spray every single day that I do my makeup, and I do my makeup 5 to 6 times a week. So I will go through this. I will be happy with it. Not mad at it. It was my choice. 9 times out of 10, I'm very happy with my choice. We have something sticking out here, which is a full-size item, which I don't know if I want to try. This is from Beauty Creations, and it's their Plump and Pout lip liner in the shade Pinch Me, which is a muted taupe, which the shade gets me. So this retails for $6, which is super affordable because it's Beauty Creations. And it says this creamy lip liner defines, smooths, and subtly plumps your pout with a comfy, hydrating formula packed with shea butter and jojoba seed oil, glides like a dream, and gives your lips a fuller, more sculpted look. No needles needed. So I'm extremely sensitive to lip plumper. I don't use them, which is why I'm very nervous to give this a try. There's I don't know if you're going to be able... It's the same shade as the packaging, and it is one of the click up pens, so I don't want to click it up in case I'm not going to keep this. But the shade is so pretty. Like, this is the shade I've been looking for, is like this cool tone taupe, and I don't have this. But because it's a plumping lip liner, I'm worried that it's going to hurt, and that it's going to really irritate my lips. Does it say, click up once to release the perfect amount of product, outline your lips? Okay. It's smudge proof, long lasting, and it has a plumping effect. Okay, let me look at the ingredients. It's got waxes, butters, jojoba seed oil, shea butter. See, I'm not seeing any pepper or anything, so maybe it's a minty plump? I'm not smelling anything. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, that shade is gorgeous. And I'm gonna see if I feel anything on my hand. I don't smell anything, so we'll see. We'll see if my hand feels anything. The next thing I'm pulling out here is from Gold Faddened MD, which is always expensive, which this actually isn't that expensive. This is their deluxe mini of their Ruby, it's the Doctor's Scrub, their Ruby Crystal Power Exfoliator. So get that just left the spa glow at home with this award-winning crystal-infused facial exfoliator. It buffs away dead skin cells to help reveal a smoother, brighter complexion, while hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and seaweed extract keep your skin feeling soft and nourished. Are you sealed? Yes, love it. So the full size is 1.7 ounces for $38, which for Gold Fadden MD is not that expensive. But this guy is 0.34 ounces, so this would retail for $7.80. It is only filled to here. So I'm thinking I'm going to get one, maybe two faces out of this. I don't really like using exfoliators. I prefer, like... So I do prefer a physical exfoliant to a chemical exfoliant, personally, but I just don't like exfoliating my face. I know it's good to do every once in a while, but I don't know. It's just not something I enjoy doing to my face. Let's see. We have another squeezy tube. Oh, this is a big squeezy tube. This is from Hey Honey. This is their Luminous Priming Base. Okay. This is a travel size. So, this quick absorbing gel primer creates a smooth, matte finish while locking in moisture. Starch-based ingredients in emollient form, starch-based ingredients and emollients form a protective barrier that helps makeup stay put all day. It has orange-pink pigments and mica powder to help smooth fine lines for a radiant and blurred look. So, is it that color? It is sealed, and I really don't need to open another primer right now, but I would assume it's got a pinky orange color. So it's not, this is the only product that's not listed on the brand's website. So the price that I found was according to the card that Ipsy sent. The full size is a 50 ml container for $29. So this is 15 mils, which would retail for $8.70. So on the back it says it's a Silk Veil Primer Serum. It says it minimizes pores. Ooh, which I like. I like a pore minimizing primer. Does the card show a color? Yeah. It shows that it's like a dark pink color. Interesting. Okay. That'll be something I have to try when I'm done with my primer. I'm not feeling anything on my hand. Oh, and it's not wanting to come off. Come on. Come off. So I'll have to report back to you guys and see how this feels on the lips, because I had that happen once before with a lip plumper because everybody swore it was the most gentle lip plumper and I didn't feel anything on my hand, but when I put it on the lips, I wanted to die. I cried. It hurt so bad. And the last item in our box is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's in a box. And this is their porefessional Smooth Sip Moisturizer. So this is a deluxe mini, and it's their water-based gel cream that hydrates without feeling heavy and helps visibly smooth texture. It's non-comedogenic, which means it's pore-friendly. And it has niacinamide to help minimize the look of pores, while celery seed and flaxseed extract help refine skin texture over time. Aloe leaf juice and squalane help lock in moisture and soothe, leaving your complexion soft, hydrated, and balanced. And it's good for oily, dry, and combo skin. So the full size is a 50 ml container for $44. This is 10 ml, so that'd be $8.80. I do love that it comes in a little tin. Like, I love that a lot. Ooh, and it really is a gel. Ooh, it smells nice. It smells just like fresh and clean. So, that is nice. I will definitely get some use out of this. I'm all into the pore smoothing and minimizing and all of that currently, so I will use that guy up. So the total for my bag is $45.40, which isn't the worst I think I've had, but it's definitely not the best. I got a lot of little minis this month, but I'm honestly not mad about it. The only thing that I don't know if I'm going to use, I really don't know if I'm going to use the exfoliator, and because it's sealed, I can throw it in my giveaway drawer if I don't feel like I'm going to use it. And I am going to give the plumping lip liner a try, but if it doesn't work for me, I'll pass it on to a friend. But I'm going to give it a try. But the other three items I'm super excited for. I'm going to get use out of them. They're just on the smaller side is all. So let's move into my one add-on. I picked out for $3.50 the Lovecraft Beauty. It's the Planetary Precision Brow Duo. And I got the shade Mercury Mocha, which is neutral light brown. So this retails for $18, so I saved a good little chunk of change there. And it says it's a pigmented, smudge-proof formula that fills, shapes, and defines with ease, giving you natural-looking, long-lasting results. So you start off with the pencil side, which looks like this. It's a very, very fine tip pencil, so let's see. Oh, that's nice. That's literally, it's going to make my brows more defined because that is the color of my brows. I usually do a lighter, like a taupe shade, but that's fine. But that went on so easy. So you start with the pencil for filling, and then you use the pen, and it says, think of calligraphy for your brows. I have never used a brow pen. Oh, okay. That is super light. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy that that's not crazy dark for the brow pen. I was nervous because the pencil... Now, see, so what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to take the pencil and really fill in because I have got a lot of sparseness right here in the front of my brow. And I'll take the pen to really get in here and help just define. I'm super excited for this. And you guys know how much I love Lovecraft Beauty. I just think they do really make good products. So when I saw that this was in the $3.50, I was like, if I can find my shade, I want it. So, and I'm always happy to get some extra brow products on hand, especially because I currently don't have a brow gel. I'm just working with a brow pencil because I'm currently using a brow duo, but I hate, this is from Julep Beauty, I hate this gel so much that I refuse to use it. So as soon as I'm done with the brow pencil, I'm throwing this out. I'm going to call it an empty because the pencil will be empty, but when I talk about it in my empties, I will let you guys know that I did not use the gel at all because I did not like it. Huh. So I saved, what, $14.50? On this guy, which is pretty good in my opinion. So that is going to do it for my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of August. Like I said, I don't like that there's some strings hanging off, but I can take a lighter and fix that. It's not the end of the world. Definitely not the worst bag we've ever had, design-wise. I really like the zipper pull. Like, I like this. I think that's nice. Not the worst bag I've ever had. Not too shabby. So that's going to do it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.